So welcome back to the vlog, guys. It's been a little while since we've done one of these, but we've had a lot of stuff going on. Christmas period, obviously, testing, engines, riding, Sardinia, Spain. So yeah, I'm going to take you on a journey to Sardinia as well. So we're going to catch up with the boys out there. Jorin and Logan have been out there since the 4th of Jan. Bill and Ben also, they've been out there, and I'm gonna head out for a week and catch up with the boys. But yeah, been busy in here, everything's underway, just been carrying on, testing on some new bikes, testing on some new engines, and I have been lumbered with the job of de-stickering our vans because they are going back to AGS. We had a 2-year deal with them guys, which is now up, so thank you very, very much to those guys, AGS and Airport Autos, for them guys sorting out the vans that we had for the last 2 years. But we've got 2 new vans coming in the middle of this month, so got to give these vans back clean, tidy, de-stickered. So I am on with taking the stickers off of our smaller van at the moment. So like I said, I am getting the stickers off of the van, which a bit of a long one because I need to go take that. I've done this door, but I need to take that mechanism off of there to get that sticker off of there. This side, I've got the main part off. But yeah, it's actually come off all right. Not left too much glue. Caught it right with the sun. And yeah, happy days. So ready again to go do a little bit more testing on the race bike with Tommy tomorrow. It's had a lovely delivery from Twin Air. A whole bag of filters ready to go. Thanks guys. Freshies, all fixed on the brackets. So yeah, I've been making up doing a bit of electrical work, making up some little looms for our fan kits to go on the bikes. Fitted 3 of them on these bikes here at the moment. We're actually just waiting for Wobbs to send through some different screws for here to get rid of these Phillips head screws, and hopefully he's got some nice tie ones with a 6mm head, I think, or a 7mm head, that will look really nice in there. Even change the motor ones as well. I'll probably see if they can work in there. So yeah, got a fan kit on, looms there, runs all the way back to the battery, little earth onto the earth wire here on the coil. But yeah, that's that. X trigs are in, start stop buttons are on, ready to change the bars for the RFX bars. Just waiting for some different bar mount spacers, and yeah, relocate this, and Raptor foot pegs are fitted. Thanks for their support as well. 3 down, 4 to go. Bosh. Here he is.
We ain't getting that bit.
Yeah. We're here. Look, he's the top dog now, aren't you? Now you're in the big leagues, Juzza.
Yeah.
I tell you what you could do with it, that's a haircut, mate. I should have brought my clippers out. I would have given you a trim. Here we are, look, it's the workshop. Tire changing bay. Oh look, Tommy Sells here. We need you on the vlog.
Cameras out and disappearing. Go vlog a bit of Jake.
I'm gonna.
Doing a bit of suspension.
I'm gonna go and get him now.
Sweet.
So, I have made it to Sardinia, and I've brought you guys and the camera along with me. So I flew in this morning, got here about 10:30. Jake, K-Tech Jake picked me up. Top man. There's the van behind me. And I'm just going to walk down the road a little bit because Jake's actually perched up on the side of the road. This is the glamorous lifestyle of coming around and testing in different countries, not really knowing where we were going or what we were doing. So I booked somewhere, well, between the 3 of us, we booked somewhere, and yeah, it turns out probably could have looked somewhere else, but to be honest, everywhere around here is pretty much like this. It's quite old school Italian. So yeah, we're doing the best we can. Let's go and knock on the van and see what he's up to.
Just getting out, I've ruined the video.
Hola, hola! Yeah, You have ruined my video. I was coming in. Coming into the KTEC cave.
It's a bit of a mess in here, to be honest.
It's life on the road, mate. Any real top secret stuff that we can't show in here or not, Jake?
No, not right now. This laptop, actually.
Yeah, is that behind this? Is that proper BTS?
Yeah. Just servicing Billy's shop. Done a fair few hours since he's been here, so it looks worse for wear. So we're just going through parts, changing any shims that are damaged or marked, bushes, seals, and then a little bit of a setting change for what we've found out here.
Nice. Let's have a little look around Jake's van. So we've got shims. I'm sure these are probably for different brand of shocks, but we also go 25, 20s, 15s. And let's have a look in his toolbox. So we've got fork springs, we've got spring seats, spring holders, KTEC Pro Valve, bushes, seals. Jake stocked himself up for the year. WP, KYB, shower stuff. Seal head service kits. Nice, and then got his tools. He's a Big 10 guy. She's ready, is she, for backing up?
Make some noise now. Get some noise in here.
Are you going to run that in here? We're going to gas out. So we're here at Briola, same track where they have Mxgp. There's quite a few guys here. We're just making our way through some suspension changes and stuff for this kind of track, which, as you can see, is mad. Super rough. But the boys are going good. Everything's good. Yeah, good progress being made. Jake's just changing a shock setting for Ben. He went to a new setting on Monday when Jake turned up, and the first time here when they're trying it in the deep stuff. So they're just going to, just carry on and working through that. Ben will be back out of track in a minute, so we'll catch him later.
Maybe go back harder and back to the quick side they were, and then go through. Otherwise I think it's a big step. Yeah.
Hello, William.
Hi, man.
How are you?
Good, you?
Very good. How's your trip been so far?
Yeah, it's good. Enjoying it. So it's different.
New tracks?
New tracks, new teammate. All good.
How is the new teammate? Is he behaving himself or not?
Yeah, he's doing okay.
What's the most valuable thing he's taught you so far this trip?
How to cook.
The dry white wine is a liquid.
There's no way. What was it, dust before?
No, he said to me, we need some dry white wine. I said, it's a liquid, how can it be dry?
I mean, I can see how it could confuse someone with your size brain, Bill. So, day's coming to an end. Boys are just prepping the bikes again for tomorrow, but a really good day. really productive, changing some settings in the suspension for both the boys. But the next 2 days we're going to head to a hard pack track and yeah, just get the feeling for the change that we've made over the last couple of days at that track as well. And yeah, hopefully the feeling is good. Bill's had a good day again. He's gone stiffer on his fork spring and also changed to a K-Tech spring perch at the that holds the top of the spring. Yeah, it's a new product that they've got coming out, and yeah, works really well and gave Bill exactly what he needed to do. What you spotted there, Jake? Anything in there for you?
Could do with some of that.
What's in there?
Bit of lube.
Chain lube?
No, special lube.
So we're back, another day in Sardinia, and we've had a bit of overnight rain. I was hoping that it wasn't, but we are travelling an hour and a quarter to the track today, and Ben's heard from the track owner that yesterday there was no rain, whereas we had rain where we were, and then today there's supposed to be no rain as well, but there has been rain on the island on and off, so I would imagine the track's going to be a little bit damp. But it was good, really good. I serviced a 250 engine last night, so I have come out this morning before we leave, and I'm just in the back of Jake's van, because our van is with our lads. I'm staying with Jake, so I'm in the back of Jake's van. I'm just putting this engine back in. It's a little bit tight, especially for someone as tall as me, but yeah, we're just trying to put this back in and we'll finish it off at the track. Got pretty high up today and the sun's out. Nice spot. Pretty stacked out here today. All parked on a lay-by on a road. This track's on a bit of a hill, but the guys ripped it quite deep, and it's just going to be a bit damp, but there's plenty of bikes going around, so hopefully cut some lines in. Get up. Having a little tear up there, weren't you? Yeah. How glad are you that that corner over there changed the rut?
Which one?
That nearly caught you out big time.
Oh my God, yeah. That really did catch me out.
There's a massive hole like at the exit.
At the start, I just come in and just hit a bit of slop, and then I don't know how.
I see them coming around. They were wheeling it on the exit, and you come around and just went yaw.
Oh, that one there.
Just there.
Oh my God, yeah. Felt like I was underneath. Popped out.
How many euros you put in there, John?
Oh, I don't know. I reckon this whole job here has cost about 50 euros, I reckon. Not just one bike, but 3 bikes and all the gears. This is a thirsty machine. Thirsty. It's about 50, it's about €1 to wash a boot. Well, that was a big clean up. Yeah, got told off because we got a bit too much mud everywhere, but we've rinsed it down for him now. Just got a couple of bits left to do on the bikes, and then get back, get showered up, get a bit of food, and then I head home tomorrow. Boys are here for one more day riding on Sunday. Well, Ben is. Bill's coming back with me. Gonna hit the gym. Not me, Bill. Back of the van. Looking pretty good after 3 weeks on the road. Not bad. Boys have done their best keeping it clean. Logie's just hunting some brake pads.
I've done the best.
Yeah, Jorin, he's messy. It's just Joz's work bay. Airline. Hoover. Just hoovered the bike off. It is a miserable day here in the south of England today, but as you can see in the background, we've got a new van. We've got 2 new vans exactly the same, and I am just about to go and take it to the sign writers. We're gonna have a new wrap on the new vans, new design, so let's go check it out. That's what it's gonna look like. Matt Cabo Designs in Colgate, and they guys are going to transform the van, and we will check back in a couple of days and hopefully roll it out of here all done. AJ, you've done a mega job on that, haven't you?
Yeah, cheers, mate.
You want to say anything for the vlog?
No, I do not.
It's been a bit of a hectic week, so I've missed quite a bit of Arenacross prep. But we're here, Birmingham, the first round of the Arenacross World Tour. And we've got Dylan Woodcock, Eddie J. Wade, as you'd have all seen, riding for the team for Arenacross this year. We're set up in the arena, on the inside paddock, in the foyer area where everybody comes in, through these doors, through these turnstiles, and boom, we're here. We've got the D-Walt, and we've got a new member, Muckoff. So thank you very much, Muckoff, for coming on board for 2026. You'll see us repping the gloves, repping the brand, using the product. And then over here, Imogen's come along. She's the helper. And Dill, it's early, brother, and you are on the cycle bike. This is serious, mate.
Blood's pumping.
Is it?
Yeah,
is this head to head ready?
3-man deep.
And this is obviously your bike that you've been riding here, not the AMA.
No.
She hasn't come back from the US.
No, this is the bike that you look after. Freshened it after me, ready to go. It's prime.
Christy brother. A poster.
I told you.
Only one though.
Yeah, that's good.
Just for your one fan.
For you?
Yeah. Can you sign it for me, please?
Yeah, no problem.
How's it going, Ed?
Busy, busy.
Busy, busy.
It's popular.
Pile's getting a bit thin now.
I'm getting them all done, so.
Oh, is that what you're doing? So people can just take it. It's busy in here. Fan zone is now open, and all the crowd have come from outside. They've come in, and it looks like as well that we have quite a big queue for autographs. All behind me here, I don't know if you can see it. This row, all the way to our tent, is actually waiting for posters to be signed. You haven't seen a queue like this for a few years, mate. Even when you were
Here I am signing autographs.
even when you were racing, there wasn't this many people after a thing. When was that? Last time you saw him?
Yeah. Was that Mallory Park? Yeah.
Yeah.
I was at Mallory last Saturday.
So that's it for another one, guys. That's the month of January. It's been a bit hectic. We've been here, there, and everywhere, doing a bit of everything. So hope you've liked it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, leave us a comment, and yeah, we'll catch you at the next one.